What's up, guys? Tommy from Brilliant Block, and we are going to take a look at some major things that happened in the market this week. As you may know some of them, and you might not know others. But to start it off, Broadcom, a Nancy Pelosi stock, one that she's making millions on again, just soared today. Huge earnings. The CEO was basically like, the next 3 years we see a massive opportunity with AI, and it's looking good for Broadcom. And Nancy's all in. Nancy Pelosi. So what does that tell you? But besides all that, bullish on Broadcom, hit $1 trillion market cap today, and it is running. Another major thing is Tesla all-time high. Crazy to see the run Tesla is on, mostly because the incoming administration for Tesla, because Elon Musk is involved. A lot of things you probably know, but Tesla is running and running hard. New all-time high this week, and I think it actually closed at an all-time high this week. So that's bullish for Tesla. Tesla's on a run. Market cap's 1.42 trillion now. And then we go over to crypto. Bitcoin is sitting over $100,000 heading into the weekend, and that is huge. Are we going to move higher now, or did we had a little flush down? Where's that flush down? Hold on. That flush down last week where we hit about 94,000, and now we're back over 100. This was the flush after we hit 100,000. I think it hit 104,000. Crypto and Bitcoin is moving back up. And that brings me to MicroStrategy, sitting around 400. And that huge thing for MicroStrategy today is that it may be included in the NASDAQ tonight, in about an hour from this video. I should have made the video after, but either way, this is huge for MicroStrategy, just on a run of a lifetime. Talk about a run of a lifetime here. If you go to the all-time chart, I think Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, he said that this stock in 2002 was down, I don't know, either way, it was down so low after the .com bubble, and just years go by, they'd sell software to companies, but then they developed the buying Bitcoin strategy, and he says that he will just keep buying Bitcoin no matter the price. Buy, and that's what MicroStrategy is doing now. And as you can see with the Bitcoin rise, MicroStrategy has soared in the last year. And now you're looking at this tonight. It could be included in the NASDAQ run 100. And in my opinion, that is so bullish, unbelievably bullish for MicroStrategy. I think it honestly, the article says here, could surge higher. I think it really could, along with Bitcoin looking good heading into the new administration, where pretty much everybody is pro-Bitcoin and pro-crypto, and that will be the first administration that is openly just pro-cryptocurrencies, pro-blockchain, and pro-Bitcoin, most importantly. So this is huge for MicroStrategy, huge for Bitcoin, and we will see tonight if it is included. Another stock is Palantir, that also could be included into the NASDAQ 100, which is very bullish as well for Palantir. As you know, Palantir, and if you might not know, Palantir has been running hard all year as well. But one of the main things this week, to me, was the Google coming out with a quantum computing chip, the Willow chip, claiming that this chip can perform a standard benchmark calculation in less than 5 minutes, and one of the fastest supercomputers, one that we use now in today's day, currently in existence, would need 10 quadrillion years to do the same. A number that far exceeds the age of the universe. So you want to talk about the craziest news of the week? To me, that's the craziest news of the week. A chip developed with Google can perform a standard benchmark calculation in less than 5 minutes. One of the fastest supercomputers currently in existence would need 10 quadrillion years to do the same. So that opens up a lot of doors. People are saying, oh, what does it do? What the heck is that? I haven't researched it enough to really know, but obviously that's huge news. You're talking about a whole new world with this in the hands of Google. And besides that, with this news, Google ended up soaring. Honestly, the day of, it did not move, but with this news, Google had a little pop this week. What day was this? This was, I think, the day the news came out. It was sitting at 175 and ended up closing at 191 of the week, obviously, because that is a game changer. And some people are saying, oh, is that bad for Bitcoin? Something to look into. Is it bad for everything? Something to look into. So what kind of age are we going to move into with a chip developed by Google can solve or perform a calculation in less than 5 minutes that the computers we use now, the most advanced computer we have now in the world, would take 10 quadrillion years. So just think about that. Think about that and what that will do. And besides that, we also have other news with the incoming administration. Trump said the Republicans want to end daylight savings. He said that he might want to hit Iran with airstrikes to stop their nuclear program. And I think he invited Xi Jinping to the inauguration, which that was rejected by Xi Jinping. So, crazy week, but to me, this right here, the quantum computing Google chip, Willow, it's called Willow, is some of the craziest news I've seen in a while, and I think it just opens the door for the next few years when we've been talking about AI for the last year or two, really big the last year, but now we're going to be talking about the quantum computing chips that can do things like you never imagined. So that's a little recap of the week. Let's run it up. Hope you made money this week. Hope you have a good weekend. And let's see what happens with MicroStrategy and Palantir and what the NASDAQ 100 does at the end of the day. And let's get it.